Good afternoon, it's Peter. I just thought I'd share that, here we are on a Sunday, taking time out for myself really, investing in myself, and I'd encourage others to do the same thing. And today's investment has partly been about getting some exercise. I like to try and get some exercise every day if I can, either in the gym or going for a run or perhaps walking the dog for an hour. But I just think it's so important that we should all look after ourselves. You know, these bodies are made for us to transport ourselves around and to do the things that we need to do. And I think regular exercise is one of the ways that we can hopefully maintain not just our bodies, but also our minds. And I think that's a really big part of exercising. You know, we don't necessarily enjoy going exercising, but I think if we do that, we feel, pleasure from saying to ourselves mentally, I did something that I didn't really want to do today, but I know it's good for me. So I just thought I'd encourage you. It's just a thought. At the end of the day, we've got to look after ourselves. So, perhaps like me, I can encourage you to take some time out to exercise, look after yourself really, to make sure that, for the coming week, we're ready and we're able and we're motivated to take action for the week, partly because we've been looking after ourselves and making sure that we're fit for work, as it were. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. Hope you have a great day and hope you have a great week. All right, cheers.